Hello everyone. Today we will see how we can include Treemap chart and Sunburst chart in Excel. So let's start. We will use this dataset for these charts. Here we can see different continents revenue in January month. So January, February, March, and April. So up from January to April, we can see revenues by different continents. Okay, so what kind of data is this? This is actually hierarchical data. January is coming first, then February, March, April. So to visualize this kind of data, Treemap is a very uh, widely used chart. So to use that chart, first of all we have to select the entire data set first, then go to insert, recommended charts, all charts. Here we can see Treemap chart, and only one kind of Treemap is available. So I'm selecting this and clicking OK. So here we can see our Treemap chart. We can see January is blue, February orange, March is gray, and April is yellow. So this is January data, February, March, and April. And when if we put our mouse pointer in any of these boxes, then that will give us the name of that continent as well as the value, that is revenue. Okay, but uh, if we don't use our mouse pointer, even in that case, we can easily see that in January, North America is generating highest revenue, Asia is second, Europe is third, and Africa is fourth. In February, North America is generating the maximum, Asia is second, Europe third, Africa fourth. So this is how we can easily see the data through our Treemap chart. We can do some modifications from here. We can rename the chart title month wise revenue by continents. Okay, we can also uh, include legend. Okay, if these are the legends. Okay, if we want to include this legend at the bottom of this chart, then through this option, this is, if you click this, the legend will be in the bottom. We can also change different chart styles here. We can do it from here also. We can change the color from here. From design menu, we can use this option. We can change the colors. Okay, if we move our mouse pointer like this, the color will be changed, and we can select accordingly as we like. We can add more chart elements here. Okay, if you want to include the chart titles, centered overlay, or above chart data labels. Okay, if you don't want to uh, include the data labels, you can use this, but I think data labels are very useful to visualize this kind of chart. So this is how we can include Treemap chart. Now we can move this by dragging, or if you want to delete, then select and press delete key from the keyboard. Now we will see how we can use Sunburst chart. To use that, we first of all we have to select the entire data set, then insert, recommended charts, all charts, Sunburst. Only one kind of chart is available. Okay. So Sunburst chart is very similar to Treemap, but it presents the data in a circular way. Okay, Treemap chart uh, shows us the data in a rectangular format, and while Sunburst is presenting the data to us in a circular way. Here we can see this is January data for different continents. This is April, February, March. Okay, and if we put our mouse pointer in these areas, we can see the month name or different continents name along with the value without if we don't want to use the mouse pointer, even in that case we can easily see that in April month North America is generating the highest revenue and Africa is generating the least. Okay, if you want to modify, so this is how we can include sunburst chart. Now if we want to modify, then select, and from here we can include legend. We can place it in left, right, top or bottom. Okay, we can from design menu, after selecting this chart from design menu we can use different chart styles. We can change the colors. Okay, I like this one. uh, if I want to select this, click on it. You can also add chart elements from here. So this is how we can uh, include sunburst chart. uh, I hope it helps. Thank you very much.